left yet. So. All right, y'all. So we are here at Walmart. Go get a couple of things from Walmart. Do y'all want Doritos? No. Alrighty. Come on, baby.
Get a small.
For real. Make some rotel. What? That's what they always do, Lala. Alright, y'all. So this is what we have. I picked up DJ some shirts. Hold on, Pooh. I don't know where they came from. Some stuff we gonna take back to the room, and y'all see it. Y'all see it. All right. He said, "Wait, I just called him."
Look, you saw the lightning one? Look, there's lightning.
Yeah.
Look at the birds. Look at the birds over there.
I got it. It smell like what, Lala? Is that $7.25? Are you guys ready? Get out the way.
Oh, your mama does it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna need
Excuse me. Turn that on. Turn it on. There it is right there. I said, okay.
Yes, we can.
All right. So we trying. Okay, I smell it in a minute. All right, y'all. We made it into our room. Oh yeah, he needs. Nah. Right. Playful self. All right, y'all. So we made it to our room. Y'all see the kids all playing and stuff. We got. I'm gonna give y'all a little quick tour of the room. Yeah, this is like just a weekend thing for Devin's birthday. We got our bathroom. Oh, did the light just blow? Oh, okay. I thought the light blew. All right, so we got a standard bathroom again, y'all. It's clean. Then you come over here. You got your sink area. You got your closets right there. Turn it back on. I'm vlogging. Turn it back on. I'm vlogging. We have, hold on, DJ. We have a microwave, a refrigerator. We just went to Walmart, y'all, so we're going to be trying to put some stuff in there. We got one TV. We got a table set over here. And we got a sofa bed. We got a queen size bed. And y'all already seen the 2 bunk beds. So now we just trying to see where everybody go sleep at. Delosh and Devin go take the bunk beds. Me and Nia go take the bed. And then hubby and DJ go take the sofa. So we end up checking in later than what we expected. We were like 2 hours late, but it wasn't It's not too bad, but the pool closes at 8 o'clock. We got her at 6 o'clock. So we just went to Walmart and just got things that we needed. And we just go chill in the hotel room, watch TV, and just kind of relax, y'all. Y'all already know the drill. But tomorrow and the next day, we're going to turn up. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There go the, I guess that's the gift shop, yeah. Oh, look, they got the candy in there. Huh? We can get us some Dunkin' Donuts in the morning. What's this? Oh, okay. Build-A-Bear. For the arcade. Oh, it's busy, y'all. It is busy tonight. Yes, this mug is huge. Yes. Yeah, so we are in the game room. Got all, I might take the boys to play basketball or something like that tomorrow. Yeah. They live, baby. Let's see. And I think that's, yep, that's where you go to the water park. Now, so we going up to the second floor. And, oh, they have other stuff. The other one just was one floor with everything on it. Here's bowling.
I think it's people in there.
Okay, I'm just saying. All right. So this is bowling with a little tiny ball. Good morning. We went and got some Dunkin' Donuts for this morning. We're about to get ready to go to the pool. Oh, excuse me. You're fine. Good morning. What's up, y'all? Good morning. Oh, that's look at the light. It's got my brown eyes coming out, baby. Look at them. I'm serious. Stop, Devin. That still got brown eyes. We already went to Dunkin' Donuts. Law, would you stop danking? Y'all want to be in the camera? Y'all want to say hello to the people? Yeah, we excited because we about to go down here and get in the pool. Hopefully, it's enough room. No, y'all, it's packed. It's packed. It's what?
What?
That's my boat. All right, y'all, we about to go to the pool and have us some fun. Come on, Delia. They're gonna circle the Delia, right here. They're gonna circle thing right there.
Hey,
You see it?
a regular wave.
Oh, I know. I know.
We need some floats.
Where you get the float from? I'm scared. A lot of people. There's a lot of people in it. Like, go ahead.
Mine's only 5 feet.
I'm scared.
Oh, get in here.
I am, but I don't want to get my phone wet. Whoa. Baby. Woo. This is much funner though, ain't it? Who go under? You? Uh-oh. Oh. Oh my God. Where? If you want to, have a ball. Go ahead, DJ. Oh. Huh? There's a lot of people. Oh my God. Where that? Oh. That go up under?
Oh, sorry.
Right. You better be careful. Devin's over here drowned a little bit. Can y'all get off the same dumb spot? Get off the Devin, you like a frog. Do what you do. That's how you supposed to do it. Do it. You see. Look around here, y'all. Oh, it's another pool over here. Go ahead, Devin, dunk the ball. I was on Devin too. What, DJ? What is it? Let me get him Llama back. All right, child. I said, oh my God.
It's cold.
Oh, you've been in that water. How many feet is it?
I said hello. It's for.
Oh.
Oh, she lost.
I can do it. She can swim. Get it, Dale. Uh-oh. All right. How you gonna get that other one? Okay. Oh, he did it, like. Well, he doing it. Okay, Devin. Woo! Come on, La. All right, y'all. Come on, La. You got it. Oh, you cheat. Oh. You cheat. She's stuck, Devin. Devin, you gotta go out. Go out. Now this door is huge. This door is huge. Go ahead.
Oh, nah, it's too many.
Devin, go ahead. Aww. It ain't doing nothing? Go ahead, Devin. It might go on yours. Go ahead, step on it. Devin said, oh, there it is. You did. Come on, Delia. So cute. Oh. What you getting, small?
No, I'm looking for, yeah, small.
Boo, hold them pants up because you can't get a small. Let me see them.
It's small.
You probably have to try them out. Extra, get a small. That's extra small. What shirt you go get?
I was looking for, buy one, get two free. Why you didn't get two more? But I was looking for the one with like the button.
Yeah, we finna go to the Foot Locker for DJ. What look like that?
Over there, let's see.
I like them, DJ. I don't even lie. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Oh. All right, y'all. So they about to ride. Get on this roller coaster. What is this one called, DJ? I'm gonna show you. Right. All this, they about to ride this ride. Devin and Delisha. DJ didn't want to ride the ride. I'm still thinking about it. I might do it. I'm not sure. Nia, that's a no for her. But Delisha and Devin wants to ride it. Oh, there it is, y'all. Look, DJ. Look, DJ. I can't do it, y'all. My stomach will not let me do it, so I can't do it. And there they are again. I just want my kids to be safe with everybody. Look at Lila. She ready. Alright, y'all, so the kids about to get on the shell shop. Come here, Nia. Right now. Let me see if I can see them. I'm glad they get to have fun. Where'd they go? Come here, go live right here. Where'd they go? Lala! Come on in. Let's go this way so we can see Lala. Come in here. There it is. Devin! Hey, DJ, can we stop at the first entrance? You can. Let's see how much it is. Huh?
2 for $30. Maybe because like the thing on it. Like,
How much is one? 15. I guess so. You want to go through it?
It's the peanut section.
Huh?
It's a peanut section.
Okay, let's see. Hold on, I got it. Come on.
Ain't peanut, not peanuts, but ain't M&M's and Skittles, ain't each other.
I don't know. Look at this, DJ. It's the little mini ones, DJ. 2 for $30. I just can't eat all that peanuts. I like how they got these, though. It's so cute. It do make you want to buy some, you know?
Right, and then it's special for every house.
Nothing when you get it back to the room. I guess it's a souvenir. It's cute. Shoot, it's cute. What you say? Mm-hmm. I can't see. Huh? All the way down. Oh my God! Y'all ain't did that. It was scary life. Really? All right, y'all. So we're about to do the ride, fly over America. I seen this online, yeah, so this is something that I want to include into the trip. Hold on. Where y'all at? Oh, let me get that too. We're gonna do the America. You want me to get that?
Can you like what? Like, can y'all use you as a seat?
No. No, you cannot use me as a seat. The popcorn? Right.
Enjoying our spectacular Fly Norway experience this month, so we've got a special Norway themed safety video for you. Please give our Norwegian host your utmost attention as he goes through the pre-flight safety information. Thanks and have a great flight.
Velkommen, modige reisende. Welcome, brave travelers.
Like, oh my God! This is so nice. Wow! Look at the rainbow. Oh, I got it! She's like, I'm trying to pee. Woo! Woo! Yeah, got that attention, don't it? Uh-huh. Ooh. Ooh, it's going up. Statue of Liberty! All right, y'all. So we are leaving the mall.